Alam nyo ba na originally yung jack-o'-lantern ay hindi gawa sa pumpkin, kundi gawa sa singkamas? Itong tradisyon na ito ay nanggaling sa isang Irish folklore. Merong character in Irish legends na ang pangalan ay Stingy Jack. Ngayon, according to those stories, he was cursed to wander the earth forever with only a carved out turnip and a glowing ember inside to light its way. So, ang ginawa ng mga tao, they began calling this wandering spirit Jack of the Lantern, which over time became Jack O' Lantern. Ngayon, Irish and Scottish people started carving scary faces into turnips, potatoes, and even beets, placing them outside their homes as lanterns to ward off Stingy Jack and other wandering spirits. But here's the twist. When Irish immigrants came to America in the 1800s, they discovered pumpkins. At ang mga pumpkin ay mas malalaki at mas madaling ukitan kaysa sa turnips. Therefore, the perfect jack-o'-lanterns.